Dr. Linda Schatzer. I'd like to provide you with useful information for the completion of the 2 hybrid online exercises. There are 3 important parts to this. Directions, number 1, working in groups, number 2, and finally, submission of the proposal, number 3. For number 1, the complete directions for the completion of the exercise, you would have to go to the course documents on Blackboard, scroll down to online exercises, and you will see there are 2 hybrids, number 1 and number 2. For the hybrid exercise, you will then need to go to another section of Blackboard. On the left-hand side, there is a menu, and you will click on Groups, and then you go to the group that you are assigned to, and you will find a location for your work. The first individual will click on Create a Thread, and that will start the discussion, will then be proceeded as a full discussion for the 2 weeks of the exercise. The second part is groups, and this has to do with working in a group. You have your cabinet roles, and for the completion of the exercise, you stay in role as much as possible so that you get the full benefit of a discussion that is amongst the cabinet members in your team. In this group, it has been found to be helpful to have a project manager who is the one who keeps track of the time for potentially in-person meetings, as well as reminding those to participate and to create their contribution by the weekend before the Monday date for the assignment to be sent in an email to Ron and to me. It's also helpful to have somebody accept the role of the editor. In producing a final document, there will be different contributions, and one person has to make it into a very comprehensive document so that it will be easy to read. Which leads us to the third part, which is the final submission. This is generally a memo that will be in a 3-page format addressed to the presidents of the Bloomberg University, and it will include the work that you have done over the 2 weeks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or Ron, and we look forward to your final submission. On the date of the class meeting, the submission will be then presented by an individual in your group, and this is another role to think about. We've had in the past 2 people or 1 person present, and the use of a PowerPoint is generally helpful to guide through the presentation. Length of time should be about 5 to 7 minutes. I wish you best of luck on your assignment and a good time working with the members of your team.